All right, so as a math teacher for IDEA currently, I'm going to go over a couple of things. So when you're looking for the coordinate, as you can see here, coordinate grid down below, you're looking for the coordinates of J. And if you're in 7th grade, 6th grade, whatever grade that you are, or 6 or 7, right? It don't matter. The one part you're going to want to really focus on is the x-axis, which is here, and the y-axis, which is shown up on the top part. Now, if you do get a graph that doesn't have anything, and it simply just shows this small section here, just know that the x-axis is always going to be left and right, or it's going to be flat. When it comes to the y-axis, it's always going to be up or down, okay? So what are the coordinates points of J? As you can see, the first part we're going to look at is it left or right? So is it this way or is it this way? We see that it's right here, so the point is going to be 0. When you are looking at the graphing, it's always going to be x and y. That's how you will see the pairs. So if 0 is left and right, then the first part's going to be 0. The next part, which is your y, is going to be up or down. So down, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, or you can look at this point, it's going to be -3. So your coordinates, which is what we're looking for, is going to be 0, -3. You know, when you look at the points here, sometimes they'll get confused, and you'll see this one. This one means the x is going to be -3. So if it was here, then it would be correct. All of the points on the left are x, all the points on the right are white. So which ones out of these 4 look like this here? That's going to be D.